Alright guys, so we're live. So today I'm just gonna be showing you guys hold on a second. So let's start with coinmarketcap.com. So let's refresh and see what improvements has been made. So far it's now up 24%. The market cap is at $1.61 trillion. Bitcoin is like going up and down between 37 to 38,000 today. That's a good sign. So within the past 24 hours, it's been up 15%, almost 16. But for the past 7 days since the crash, it's been down 12.78%. Ethereum is up 35.32%. But for the past 7 days since the crash, it's still down 24.68%. So if we take a look at here, Bitcoin, let's see. Okay, so here's the chart. So for all time, as you can see, back in April 29, 2013, it was at $143.84. And then it was not going up until right around November 11, 2013. So in a few months it went up to like almost 1,000 till right around here. So it's been stationary for a while, as you can see. And then there you go, first time it hit 1,000 was around 2017. So it took about 4 years for it to hit its 1,000 mark. And then that became its support for a while, and then shortly after, like a few months, let's backtrack for a little bit. So it hit its 1,000 mark around that same year. Okay, so the beginning of 2017, and then it got up to 2,000 around a few months later, so May 22nd. Okay, and then 4,000 around August 2017. It's been making a lot of improvements that year. Then first time it hit 18,000 was that same year. Oh my gosh. And then it dropped down to back to 7,000, which was still good. Went up to 11,000 again. Then down to 7,000. And then just staying around 6,000, 7,000 for a while until yeah, they hit the lowest of 3,000 in 2018, and it was staying around there for a little while until it climbed up again to 10,000, then just staying around 7,000 for till 2020, and then it hit the lowest 6,000. That seemed to be the resistance around that time. I mean, the support around that time, and the resistance was around 8,000, 9,000, then 11,000, and then it jumped up 18,000 in November 23rd, 2020, and up to 35,000 like a couple months later in January 18, 2021. And then a month or so to 53,000, and then 60,000 was around, that was the highest resistance it's been to. on which was on April 12th, and then now we're back to 37,000. So that was like a few months ago. We were down there, so it could go up because it doesn't seem to want to go down anymore. I think we hit our support like right around the low 30s, and so far today it hasn't gone lower than 37,000. It's been staying there. I think the resistance for today is like right around 38,000, like high 38,000, like mid 38,000, like 30,500. So hopefully we could get some more increase here. I'm hoping that we would get back up there. It's better if we could get even higher than that, because in the past it's shown that every time it falls, like when we reach 18,000 back in 2017, and then reach lowest 3,000 in 2018, it went up again to 11,000 in 2019, and then the lowest it went to was like around 5,000 in 2020, and then before that year ended, it went up to all-time high 19,000, and it just kept going up. So there's a really high chance, I should say, that the whales or the big investors were probably waiting for this moment to happen for them to buy into the dip and raise the price up again. So let's see my Binance account here. So on my Binance, I'm up like about more than $10 because I just got Binance like before, like I think around the time when the market crashed. So this is where I very much invested on the coins when they were like on a huge discount. So Solana is in the top 100. Link is pretty good. Pretty much all this stuff is in the top 100. They're all pretty good investments. Matic was like it had like 100% increase today, so I'm pretty happy with that investment right there. Nano is pretty good. So some of these investments are also sustainable, meaning that they don't use that much electricity when they do their mining operations to attain them. Dogecoin is actually pretty sustainable compared to Bitcoin. So I think that's one reason why Elon Musk is he according to the news, he's accepting Dogecoin now and not Bitcoin, because Bitcoin uses a lot of electricity. I posted some stuff on my group page on Facebook, some of the news that I've gathered from research, and they do use a lot of electricity. I forgot the exact numbers, but they say they in a year they could be using like half of the country's electricity or something like that. And there are other cryptocurrencies out there that uh, uses energy uses less energy to mine. So there's that. And right here in Robinhood, I'm up. I don't have much in here, but I'm up $2 today, so that's a good sign. For stash, I'm up few bucks as well. But they're not moving us their movements in the market is not as extreme as the crypto market because of their stability. But then from the recent news I've read this morning, that the stock market could be tied to the crypto market. So like they say that S&P 500 and Nasdaq, when crypto was crashing, they were also sort of crashing at the same time. So I hope that's not completely true. That's kind of scary, but at the same time, it's kind of good, because if like if we're really on a bull run right now, then that means the stock market will follow, will also go up, because you know what Elon Musk is doing. He's one, I guess he's one of those people that has a lot of money that invest in cryptocurrency. So I guess other companies are doing that as well. You know, we can't really blame them because of the decentralized nature of cryptocurrencies. It's still unregulated. It's pretty easy to get. So on Gate.io, unfortunately, I'm a little bit up here. I've seen this go down really low, like when market crashed, like when Bitcoin was like around 30,000. Because I do have some Bitcoins in both Gate and KuCoin. So I'm down. I'm still down, like a little over $100, but I'm I'm not as I'm not as worried because I believe the market will go up, back up again. And when that happens, I'm probably just gonna sell once I make a little bit of profit, sell and then transfer them to Binance, because on Binance you can withdraw you can sell your cryptocurrency for money and just withdraw it directly to your bank. And that's what I like about Binance. But what I like about Gate is they have other cryptocurrencies that they don't have on Binance. So that's why I'm probably gonna keep some cryptocurrency here to do some trading, whether it's day trade, night trade, swing trade, or long term. Then, yep, I will keep some here once I get some of my money back and a little bit extra. So let's see what we have. So XVS, this one tends to shoot up really high. So I'm hoping it does that again. I have some Ethereum, Bitcoin, Ethereum Classic. They're still fairly cheap right now. The last price is 171 for Litecoin. I got in, it was like 292, but if all goes well, as the market keep going up, then hopefully it reaches, I'm hoping at least more than 300, so I could still be at a profit. So Cardano is going up. I got in when it was 1.78. EOS really went down. So um, I I've determined that if I want to transfer from one exchange app or site to Binance, then I might have to convert to EOS or LTC, because according to my findings, they say that they have the least fee for transfer or deposit. So I'm probably gonna convert whatever I wanna transfer to Binance to EOS or LTC later on. And Dogecoin, as you can see, I got in pretty low at 28 cent, and then it's now up to 33 cent. Luna went down by a lot. So pretty much when Bitcoin and Ethereum, when, because they have the most dominance in the market, whenever they go down by a lot, the rest kind of follows with them. So on KuCoin, I'm up a little bit here. So I still need maybe a little over 100 to just to break even. And I know it will happen eventually. It just takes time, so you don't really want to sell when the market is down, because that's how you will lose your money. So just got to keep holding until the market is right. Then it's when you can sell. But when the market is down, it's actually the best time to buy. So that's why I think I made a really good decision of buying on Binance after my account was verified. So on here, I have Telcoin. Telcoin, I believe this has a really good potential, because if we go look on, oh my gosh, totally forgot. Sorry guys. So on webcam, not webcam. Oh sorry, it's on crap window capture too. So you guys haven't really been seeing my screen on here, but okay. So we're on KuCoin. I'm using BlueStacks. So BlueStacks is an app that you can use on your PC to be able to use apps that you can use on an Android phone. So, okay, I'm on KuCoin right now. As you can see, I'm at 171.84. I need maybe a little over 100 just to break even. If it goes over that, then I'm at a profit. But anyway, Telcoin. This is one of the stuff that you can get on KuCoin. Telcoin is in, I think, rank 60 something right now. So Telcoin has made a really huge increase. Let's see. If we go to, oh, it doesn't really show you everything here, but let's go back to, right now it's at 2 cents. So if we go back to, and so coin market cap, so we search for called Telcoin. So right here. So how much increase? So let's go to 1 year. 1 year increase. Their 1 year Telcoin has made a huge increase. It should tell you how much increase it's made. The format on PC is a bit different than the phone. Phone's a lot simpler, but let's just go right here. So the highest it's gone to was 5 cent, and this was created around May 24, 2020, and it wasn't even a cent. Look at that, 0.00033375, and that was just a year ago. Yeah, exactly a year ago. So when it first hit 1 cent was around, first hit 1 cent around, just around April 30th. Yeah, I believe I think I got in when it just hit 1 cent. Yeah, I've been looking for Telcoin, and I used to use crypto.com. They don't have that much crypto selection on there, and yeah, that's the time when I decided, screw crypto.com. I'm gonna transfer my asset from crypto.com to KuCoin. Then that's what I did. But then I didn't know that LTC or EOS had the lease fees, so I just transferred everything using Ethereum. So I converted everything that I had to Ethereum, which cost me like about $15 just for that transfer. So not making the same mistake again. Uh, oh, hold on a second now. Okay, so let's go back here on KuCoin app. So yeah, I have XMR Monero. This is one of the really good performing coins out there. It's at $244 right now, and the highest it's been was about, wow, like 507. This is literally like half price right now, or a little less than half price. But then yeah, it went below, like more than 50%. Like, it, as you can see here, went down to like $200 at some point, and that was just when showing. Okay, so on the 18th, that's when it went down to its lowest. It started crashing on around the, I guess, the 9th, when it reached its peak. right here on the 8th, it started going down. Hopefully we're on our way back up again. Because if you use the indicator, the BOLL, we're looking at a day view right now. As you can see, when it went down a lot on the 18th, anything that goes over the purple line means it's being oversold, and anything that goes up beyond the blue line up there means it's being overbought. So when they say, according to my research, the experts and analysts believe that the more it stays in the middle, and depending on the candlesticks, depending if they look like they're about to go down or go up, so all those things matter when you look at the charts as a whole. You will be able to tell whether it's headed up or down. So if you look at here, it was going up from since March 23. It's been going up and up and up till it hit that blue line right there, which means it's being overbought already. So people were probably like, oh, the price is too high. A lot of people probably made some good profits already, so they started selling because they thought it's probably not gonna keep going up anymore. And yeah, like the price of Bitcoin and Ethereum, I believe, influences the market as a whole. So that's why they have the most dominance in the market. If you look at coin market cap, let's see here. So if you were to look at coin market cap, you'd see that sec. You look at coin market cap, it shows you, oh, okay, we're up 1.62 trillion now. So if you look at coin market cap, it shows you up here, Bitcoin is 44.1%, and Ethereum is 18.3%. Okay, so go back to the other screen now. Right, so Ethereum is now 25.37. That's good. We could go check it out real quick to see its progress. Okay, it's going up. Look at that. Look at that candlestick right there. People are trying to sell at that range. I mean, on that candlestick, but it seems like the bull market is overpowering the bear market right now. So let's look at the 1 week time frame. It's not even towards the middle yet. Yeah, we overbought at right around the 5th of May. Yeah, the highest price this Ethereum went up to was like around low 4K, so 4.1K, right, somewhere around there. Then it just started going down from there. Lowest it hit was I think like it hit 1900 briefly and then just went up. They oversold at around that price, as you can see. Okay, so yeah, I don't have much. That's most of my portfolio consists of Tailcoin, Bitcoin, XMR, ETH, Dogecoin, a little bit LTC, a little bit of Polygon, and a little bit of TRX. I don't know if BTT is ever gonna make it up someday, but hopefully. I have 1,000 of that. I have 1,000 Tailcoin. TRX is one of the sustainable cryptocurrencies too, so I might buy into that later on. So let's go back to Gate since I wasn't able to share the screen earlier. So yeah, as you can see, I'm down only a couple hundred. I mean, not a couple hundred, like a little over 100, but I'm still not as worried as those people, because there are people that have lost thousands, millions, probably even billions, worst case scenario, but I'm sure they're holding too, because if I had known that this crash would happen, I should have just started my investment around that time, and I would make hella more profits, but it's all good. I believe it's all gonna work out in the end. It's just takes time and patience in this type of game, you know. Oh yeah, so in this one I bought two Venus. One time I bought it was at $70, and then the other time I bought it was at $40. So I'm sure this will go up more as Ethereum and Bitcoin um go up more. So um I have mostly, yeah, Venus right now, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Ethereum Classic, some Litecoin, some ADA, some EOS, some Dogecoin, Luna, and the rest are just altcoins that I have less than $5. So my portfolio is pretty diversified all around, even on Stash and Robinhood. So let me switch back to that screen because that's not on BlueStacks. I'm using the internet to access those. So let me just pull that up real quick. Okay, so on Robinhood, you can see here's my portfolio. Okay, so my stocks are right here. I only have 4 Dogecoin here. I was like, whatever, might as well, because that's like the cheapest cryptocurrency you could get on here so far. And so Amazon, Tesla, they've made some gains. AMC making some good gains. We're seeing a lot more green now, unlike before. The market just crashed. Just so much red. And so oh, I have to log back. Sec. I don't want you to see my password. Second. Sending me a verification code on phone. Received. We're good. We're good. All right. So on Stash, I'm now at $5. So I have a mixture of bonds, ETFs, and stocks on here. The only thing I don't like about this is like you have to pay $1 every month, or you could choose to pay $12 a year, something like that. So I'm probably just gonna keep my bonds on here and probably transfer by next year, transfer over, cash out all my stocks and ETFs, and then transfer over to Robinhood. So you see I have stocks nationwide. That's like a combination of stocks. You could take a look. So you go to overview, tells you the types of stocks that are included in this ETF. So for bonds nationwide, they tend to be stable. So that's one of the reasons why you want to have bonds, is to have that diversification in your portfolio. Um, but yeah, they no, it's money that will grow over time. It's not as fast as stocks, ETFs, or cryptocurrency. But yeah, of course, as the older I get and the more profits I get from investing, the more I probably put into bonds later on. But since I'm young and I guess you could say healthy, uh I could afford to risk more money into stocks and crypto right now. Yeah, so my stocks are in cannabis, pharmaceuticals, clean and green, stuff that I believe in, um oxygen, that's like for the eye, oil and gas, American Battery, that's doing really well right now. Aqua Metals, these are stocks that are kind of down, and these are these are I guess some of the stuff that I got from joining the because Dash tend to do this. They give out free stocks like every now and then. So I just joined the party. I get a notification whenever that happens, and that's how I get these free stocks. So if you if you join using my link, you should be able to get um free money up to $500. Just letting you know. I think that's it. I don't know what else to discuss. I'm just holding on on the investments that I've already made for KuCoin and Gate.io, and also on my Binance account. I'm hoping things will turn up in the next few days, few weeks, maybe a month or two tops. But yeah, that's pretty much all we could do is hope for the best. And thank you for watching, guys. I guess I'll see you guys in my next live stream. Feel free to leave a comment and subscribe. Thank you.